Welcome to RJO Futures. Hopefully we can help you understand a little bit more about the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. The E-mini S&P, commonly known as the ES, is one of the most actively traded futures contracts in the world. Launched in 1998, the ES futures were made available as a mini version, 1/5 the size of the full-size futures contract. The smaller ES contract makes the market much more accessible to smaller traders, which adds liquidity to the futures markets. In 2019, the CME Group introduced the Micro E-mini futures, which are 1/10 the size of the normal ES futures contract. This attracted even more smaller traders, which attracted even more liquidity to the futures markets. So why do people trade them? Why are people involved in actively trading this market? Number one is leverage. We want to keep in mind when we're talking about futures, there's always leverage. The E-mini S&P 500, with the E-mini S&P currently trading at 3,000, is $50 times the index. So $50 times 3,000, which is the index, is $150,000 notional value in the futures contracts. Now you don't have to put up $150K in order to trade it, just a small percentage of that. So traders commonly use the ES to speculate on the overall health of the stock market, whether they're buying the futures or short selling them. And they also serve a great purpose when they're hedging against equities portfolio losses that they may be taking on there. So the ES can be extremely volatile at times, so it makes it a very good fit for day traders and scalpers, while at the same time it tends to trend pretty well, so the options on the futures can be used for long-term position holding as well. The ES also offers greater capital efficiency and correlation when you compare it to ETFs or baskets of individual securities. So on this page, you're going to find two of my favorite strategies that we use when trading the E-mini S&P 500. Number one is the trend gap strategy, and number two is the momentum breakout strategy. Both of these strategies on this page, we cover a high-level overview of them, but we go into greater detail in the guide that we provide. So do yourself a favor and opt in for a copy of that guide. I hope this gets you pointed in the right direction. My name is Adam Tuyano with RJO Futures in Chicago, wishing you the very best of luck in your futures trading.